What's good, guys? Welcome back to John's Kitchen. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a Jamaican spiced bun. First up, we want to get our liquid ready for the bun. Grab a pot and add your Guinness, brown sugar, honey, golden rum, butter, jam, vanilla extract, and raisins. Heat this mixture up until the sugar dissolves. Now remove the pot from the heat and leave it aside to slightly cool down to room temperature. If you got a bit extra time on your hands and decide you want to make the glaze for the bun, super simple. Just grab 2.5 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of honey, and simmer that mixture until it all dissolves together. For this next part of the recipe, grab yourself a fairly big bowl and add your lime zest, all-purpose flour, sea salt, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice, and mix it all together well. Once your flour has been well mixed, next step is to start adding in your Guinness liquid from earlier. Add it slowly if you're not using a stand mixer, otherwise you're going to make a big mess everywhere. Be sure to mix your batter very well to avoid any unwanted pockets of flour after baking your bun. Now add your raisins that you had set on the side and give it a good mix again. Remember to hit that subscribe button, it really helps the channel grow and we appreciate all of you tuning in every week to watch our videos. And if you're enjoying this video, remember to hit that thumbs up and give us a little like. It also helps the YouTube gods to know that people are enjoying our content and keep pushing it. Now it's time to grease your tin. You can do this by using butter or oil. Now pour your batter into the greased tin. You can use your spatula to level it out if needed. Now place your tin into the oven and bake at 160 degrees for 70 minutes. For best results, we recommend that you follow the steps exactly because we have tried and tested this recipe for you guys. Once the time is up, remove your bun from the oven and allow it to cool inside of the tin for at least a couple of hours. Then remove from the tin and coat heavily with your glaze. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. If you're looking for a solid no-bake cheesecake recipe, well, you're in luck. We'll be dropping that video early next week.